Welcome to Mega Machine Works, where we witness an incredible 15-month journey transforming an ancient ruin into a truly breathtaking architectural masterpiece. Two brothers stand before crumbling stone walls, facing a massive challenge that requires patience, skill, and sheer determination to overcome completely. The structure is filled with wild vegetation and deep cracks, demanding immediate attention before any true restoration work can actually begin. They start by clearing thick trees growing inside the perimeter, removing years of neglect to reveal the original footprint of stone. High pressure water blasts away decades of moss and grime, exposing the beautiful natural texture hidden beneath layers of dirt and decay. The structural integrity is compromised, so they meticulously reinforce the cracked walls using traditional mortar techniques mixed with modern engineering standards. With the walls finally stabilized, attention shifts to the ground, preparing a solid base with steel rebar for a heavy pour. Concrete flows into the foundation, creating a level surface that will support the immense weight of the timber frame and roof. Instead of leaving it plain, they use stamping tools to imprint a rustic stone texture, blending modern strength with ancient aesthetics. The foundation is now set and cured, providing a clean canvas for the ambitious construction phase that is about to commence. To source materials, they turn to their own land, identifying ash trees affected by pests that need to be harvested responsibly. Chainsaws roar to life as they fell the massive trees, turning a natural problem into a valuable resource for their project. Heavy machinery drags the giant logs out of the dense forest, transporting them to the makeshift milling station near the site. The portable sawmill slices through raw timber, revealing fresh grain that will soon become the structural skeleton of this unique building. Wet wood cannot be used immediately, so they construct a custom solar kiln to dry the lumber to the perfect moisture. Weeks pass as the wood releases its moisture, hardening into durable beams that will resist warping and shrinking over the years. Each dried board is planed smooth, transforming rough lumber into furniture-grade timber, ready for precise joinery and heavy-duty structural assembly work. The design calls for a complex octagonal roof, a geometric challenge that requires absolute precision in every angle and every cut made. They begin assembling the massive roof trusses on the ground first, ensuring every joint fits perfectly before attempting the dangerous lift. The combined weight of the timber frame exceeds 7 tons, a testament to the solidity and permanence of this incredible construction. A massive crane arrives on site, its long boom extending high above the stone walls, ready to hoist the heavy structure. Slowly and steadily, the 7-ton wooden skeleton rises into the air, hovering over the ancient stone walls like a protective crown. The brothers guide the massive structure into place, securing it firmly to the reinforced stone walls with heavy-duty steel anchor bolts. Once the frame is secure, they begin sheathing the roof, closing it in to protect the interior from the coming weather. A secondary wooden tower is constructed to serve as the main entrance, adding verticality and architectural interest to the stone base. Vertical beams rise rapidly as the tower takes shape, designed to house the staircase and provide access to the upper levels. Large windows are installed in the tower, allowing natural light to flood the interior and offering stunning views of the forest. Durable roofing material is laid down with care, ensuring the building remains watertight and comfortable through all 4 changing distinct seasons. With the exterior shell complete, the focus moves inside, where the true craftsmanship of the brothers begins to shine through details. They choose a massive solid log to serve as the central pillar for a custom spiral staircase connecting the 2 floors. Each step is individually carved and fitted into the central column, creating a functional piece of art that spirals upward gracefully. Hours of sanding bring out the deep, rich grain of the wood, making the staircase smooth to the touch and beautiful. The heavy spiral staircase is hoisted into the tower, fitting perfectly into the space designed to welcome guests into the home. For the gathering area, they select a spectacular slab of maple wood, measuring over 4 meters in length, for the bar. They carefully shape the live edge of the maple slab, preserving its natural curves while creating a smooth surface for dining. A clear finish is applied to the bar top, making the wood grain pop and protecting it from spills and scratches. The massive counter is mounted securely, becoming the centerpiece of the room where family and friends will soon gather and celebrate. Hardwood flooring is laid throughout the upper level, adding warmth and continuity that contrasts beautifully with the rough stone walls below. Warm lighting fixtures are installed, highlighting the texture of the stone and the rich colors of the timber frame at night. To solve the logistical issue of moving food between floors, they design an ingenious electric pulley system hidden in the wall. The dumbwaiter system is tested, smoothly transporting items from the lower kitchen area to the upper dining deck with zero effort. Handcrafted furniture is moved in, filling the space with comfort and style that complements the rustic industrial aesthetic of the build. Outside, they tidy up the landscaping, planting grass and flowers to soften the transition between the stone structure and the forest. As the sun sets, the restored building glows warmly, a beacon of accomplishment standing tall against the darkening backdrop of trees. Inside, the blend of ancient stone, industrial steel, and warm wood creates an atmosphere that is both cozy and incredibly majestic. The brothers take a moment to sit at the bar they built, reflecting on the 15 months of hard labor past. From a crumbling ruin filled with trash